is a run through of the stein animated mockup. When you get the files from the cloud, you should get a Photoshop file, PSD, and 2 movie files. Now all 3 of those need to be extracted and put in a folder somewhere on your hard drive. When you open the PSD, this is what you'll be greeted with. If you don't see the timeline at the bottom like that, just go to Windows, Timeline. If you want to add your design, the first thing you need to do is select this layer here in the layer panel at the bottom right. You'll see it says step 1, double click Smart Objects. Let's do that. And then you'll see this one here. Don't edit anything in that. This is where you want to add your design, and keep this hidden because it will interfere with the animation. So double click this, and here's the place to put your designs. Obviously I've got mine there already, but when you add yours, you just go to Place Embedded, or just cut and paste something that's already open. Let's just put something on there. So put your design. Obviously yours will be probably a different size to mine. Mine's not it's not really built for this. And if you don't want my text, well, obviously you won't want my text, so either turn that off or throw it in the bin, but I'll leave it there now. Then when you're ready, see what I did there? I just hit the close to close this smart object, and it says, do you want to save it? And you say you must say yes here, and then you close this smart object, and it says, prompts you to say yes to this one. And there you go. And if you want to preview, you can just drag this across. And that's that. That's the design in place. Once you're ready, hit this burger menu here, and you'll see render video. So click that. You can use the defaults, or if you're on a Mac, you might want to change the encoding to QuickTime. But I would suggest going with the defaults. Select a folder to choose where you want to save your animation, and give it a name in this box, and then click render, and that will take anything from a minute to a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer. If you want to change the background, you can double click this background smart object, just put in there file, place embedded, put in there your background of choice. If you want to turn off the shadow for any reason, it's in this Stein folder. There's the shadow there. It's also got reflections on top of your design, which you can turn off or reduce using opacity. But that's everything.